This bird doesn't want a mate. It wants an Oscar. Meet the bird of paradise, found deep in Papua New Guinea's forests. To impress females, the male turns into a walking disco ball with feathers that bend light like holograms. And the dance? Bro turns into a circle with eyes, moonwalks, and even does a full body wave. It cleans the dance floor with OCD level precision, not one leaf allowed. Because if the girl's not impressed, she just flies away mid-performance. Brutal, fashion, dance, and heartbreak. This bird's got more drama than reality TV. Like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping creatures.